Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading the video and the subtitle file in VLC. Get both files ready in the same folder to avoid path errors. Once done, open the video and add the subtitle via Subtitle right arrow add file so VLC uses the external. SRT. Make sure advanced controls are visible to quickly jump and test. You want playback controls and a consistent file name, because mismatched names or wrong folder paths are the most common blockers to syncing properly. You now focus on precise timing. Open Tools right arrow track synchronization and use the subtitle track synchronization field to enter millisecond shifts. Play a sentence and tweak by small increments. Start with 100-200 ms, then refine by 50 ms, because small moves make a big difference. Once you hear audio and see the line at the same moment, test other spots in the video. Different scenes may need slight shifts. Also remember the G and H keys let you quickly nudge timing during playback. To finish, know that VLC applies timing shifts at playback only and won't save them into the SRT file. If you need permanent fixes, open the subtitle file in a text editor or a subtitle editor and apply the offset to all timestamps, then save as a new SRT. If subtitles drift over time, check the subtitle's original frame rate or time base. Inconsistent frame rate causes progressive drift. If problems persist, restart VLC or test in another player to rule out player-specific bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.